Removing a CX8 riser assembly and adapter. Required tools: a screwdriver for T6 and PH1 screws, water loop miscellaneous kit, SC750 V4, CX8 conduction plate, CX8 gap pad. If installing Connect X8 for the first time, the system supports two types of riser cages: riser cage 1 with A, B printing and riser cage 2 with A, B, C, D printing. Make sure to use riser cage 2 when installing the Connect X8 adapter. The system supports two types of front crossbars. Make sure to use front crossbar 2 if the system uses the Connect X8 shared I/O configuration or Connect X8 socket direct configuration. Remove the tray cover. Unfasten the 30 Phillips No. 1 screws to remove the front and the rear cross braces. For shared I/O or socket direct configurations, disconnect the cable from the system board. Unfasten the captive screw on the riser assembly. Unfasten the 6 T6 screws marked with a C on the riser cage. Unfasten the screws with a torque screwdriver set to the proper torque. Note: for reference, the torque required for the screws to be fully fastened or removed is 3 plus or minus 0.5 pound-inches. Carefully hold the riser assembly by its edges and remove it from the node. For shared I/O or socket direct configurations, disconnect the cable from the adapter. Unfasten the PH1 screw that secures the adapter to the riser cage. Remove the adapter from the riser cage. If necessary, remove the interface plate. Unfasten the 5 PH1 screws from the interface plate. There are openings marked with black triangle in the illustration on the bottom side of the interface plate for inserting a flat head screwdriver. Select the one that is accessible for the flat head screwdriver. Insert a flat head screwdriver into the opening and then turn the screwdriver slightly to release the interface plate from the water loop cold plate. Remove the interface plate from the tray.